Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever seen a plant so rare and unusual that it almost looks fake? Today, we're exploring 40 of the rarest indoor plants from around the world. Some are famous for glowing veins, others for metallic leaves, bizarre textures, or stunning variegation. These incredible plants have become dream collectibles for indoor gardeners and plant enthusiasts everywhere. Let's begin. Number 1. Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. This is one of the rarest philodendrons on Earth. Its long, elegant leaves can grow several feet long indoors, and mature plants can cost thousands of dollars. Number 2. Monstera Obliqua. The leaves are so full of holes that there's more empty space than actual leaf. It's fragile, difficult to grow, and incredibly valuable. Number 3. Jewel Orchid. Unlike ordinary orchids, this rare plant is grown for its glowing velvet leaves instead of its flowers. Number 4. Anthurium Warocqueanum. Known as the queen anthurium, this plant produces giant velvet leaves with prominent white veins. Number 5. Alocasia dragon scale. Its textured leaves truly resemble dragon scales. The metallic finish gives it a fantasy-like appearance. Number 6. Hoya compacta variegata. Twisting vines and curled variegated leaves make this rare Hoya look like living sculpture. Number 7. Begonia ferox. This prehistoric-looking plant is covered in dramatic cone-shaped spikes. It's one of the strangest begonias ever discovered. Number 8. Variegated string of hearts. Tiny heart-shaped leaves with pink and cream variegation trail beautifully from hanging baskets. Number 9. Philodendron pink princess. Dark leaves splashed with bright pink patterns made this plant an internet sensation. Number 10. Syngonium mojito. Its leaves look as if green paint was splattered randomly across every surface. Number 11. Alocasia black velvet. Dark velvet foliage combined with silver veins gives this plant a luxurious appearance. Number 12. Monstera constellation. Cream-colored speckles across giant leaves resemble stars scattered through space. Number 13. Rhaphidophora tetrasperma variegata. This rare climbing plant combines split tropical leaves with striking white variegation. Number 14. Philodendron gloriosum. Its giant heart-shaped velvet leaves make it one of the most admired indoor plants. Number 15. Anthurium clarinervium. Thick leaves and bold white veins give this plant an almost painted appearance. Number 16. Variegated banana plant. Pink, cream, and green striped leaves create a tropical masterpiece indoors. Number 17. Black bat flower. Its black flowers and long whisker-like tendrils make it look truly mysterious. Number 18. String of turtles. Tiny leaves patterned like turtle shells make this trailing plant incredibly collectible. Number 19. Philodendron melanochrysum. Golden velvet leaves and dramatic length give this climbing plant an elegant appearance. Number 20. Alocasia silver dragon. Silver metallic foliage and deep green veins create an almost robotic look. Number 21. Hoya variegata. Its heart-shaped leaves make it one of the cutest rare plants in the world. Number 22. Calathea white fusion. White, green, and lavender patterns swirl beautifully across every leaf. Number 23. Philodendron verrucosum. Fuzzy stems and glowing lime-colored veins make this species unforgettable. Number 24. Variegated Alocasia frydek. Every leaf displays unique white marbling across deep velvet green surfaces. Number 25. Macodes petola. This lightning jewel orchid appears to glow under light because of its golden veins. Number 26. Philodendron White Knight. Dark stems and bold white patterns create dramatic contrast. Number 27. Blue Oil Fern. Its metallic blue shine looks almost magical under indoor lighting. Number 28. Monstera Albo. Huge white patches across giant split leaves make this one of the most famous rare houseplants. Number 29. Philodendron Jose Buono. Large tropical leaves covered in cream splashes give this plant a wild jungle appearance. Number 30. Alocasia caprea. Its copper-colored metallic leaves look more like polished metal than living foliage. Number 31. Cebu Blue Pothos. Silvery blue leaves and rapid climbing growth make this plant especially popular. Number 32. Philodendron Ring of Fire. Jagged leaves explode with shades of orange, cream, yellow, and green. Number 33. Begonia maculata. Silver polka dots and red leaf undersides make this begonia instantly recognizable. Number 34. Scindapsus trubii Moonlight. Its glowing silver leaves create a sleek and modern appearance indoors. Number 35. Philodendron Florida Ghost. New leaves emerge bright white before slowly transforming into green. Number 36. Variegated String of Pearls. Pearl-like succulent leaves trail elegantly with beautiful cream and pink colors. Number 37. Anthurium crystallinum. Crystal-like veins across giant velvet leaves make this plant look luxurious. Number 38. Alocasia Jacqueline. Its jagged leaf shape gives it a wild prehistoric appearance. Number 39. Variegated Peace Lily. Cream streaks across deep green foliage turn this classic houseplant into a collector's item. Number 40. Philodendron Caramel Marble. This incredibly rare philodendron displays stunning shades of caramel, orange, cream, and green. For many collectors, owning one is a dream. That was the list of some of my favorite rare indoors plants. Which rare indoor plant was your favorite? Would you ever spend thousands of dollars on a single plant? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing plant discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.